All right, so this is unknown 1, so you guys can kind of take a look at the appearance. It feels fairly lightweight. So we're gonna go ahead and get the density on that. Okay, so when we do the density, we're gonna measure this in centimeters, as we are gonna be finding our volume in centimeters cubed. So remember that from the instructions, you guys kind of take a look at, oops, let me zoom out a little bit. How many centimeters this is plus how many millimeters. So obviously the little lines are millimeters and the big lines are centimeters. So I can see at least 2 centimeters, and then it looks like about 1, 2, 3, 4 millimeters. Okay, so if you guys remember in the directions, it kind of points out, all right, if you guys have like 2 centimeters and 4 millimeters, that we would count this as 2.4. because a millimeter is every 10th of a centimeter. So 2.4 is going to be your guys' length of this, okay? It doesn't really matter which one's your length, width, or height. And then if we go ahead and flip this side as well, okay, we're gonna line that up. Looks like we're at about, there we go, 2.5. for the height. And then if we go ahead and do, or the width, excuse me, and then the height, we would look at this and say about 2.4 again. Okay, so those are gonna be, so it's roughly a cube. And again, it doesn't matter which is your length, your width, or your height. You guys would record 2.4, 2.4, and 2.5 for those 3 measurements. And then to find the volume of that, you would multiply all 3 of those numbers together, okay? Next part we need to do to find density is to get the mass. So I'm gonna go ahead, bring my gram scale over here. Okay, I should have it in grams, which I can see the little G in the upper right-hand corner. I'm gonna go ahead, zero my scale out, and set my cube on there. And we're at about 18.6 grams.